Excellent connection. Alrighty, so we got a possible setups, like 3 of them, even though it's still. So let's take a look at them. Okay. Let's see. First, we got GU. I like what I'm seeing off of this. I'm liking what's going on my TDI. Like what I'm seeing down there. I like this. Boom. So as long as when this closes, this yellow is still below this red, that's an entry. Like enter soon as that one. Got GJ doing the exact same thing. So as soon as that closes, enter. As long as it stays below, enter there, and this one as well. Sometimes GCAT does its own thing, but we'll see what this does. Enter on all 3 of these as soon as this counter closes at 9:30. What time is it? 3 minutes. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. So, I wish I had my MT4 on my what's the name, but I have to do all this stuff on my phone. So we got GCAT. If it closes, you gotta make sure. Gotta make sure this stuff closes where it's supposed to. But I'm liking what I'm seeing on all 3 of these trades. So you got GU, she's looking nice, and we'll worry about TP later. But only reason I probably wouldn't like it is because of this 40 right here. So we might get a pullback, but that can give us a pullback to the D-low, so we still might be okay. Both of these, all of them. One thing I don't like is where it's at the 40. That's the only thing I don't like. If that 40 wasn't there, it'd have been on and popping. But we already broke in one, so it could just break right through it, bust right through it. So we'll see. GCAT. Like what they all are doing. Actually, you could take it right back down to here, right back down to just take it right back down, because it never broke Asia. It might break it this time. If it do, that thing just about to drop all the way. You can see where it's going to go. Could come down somewhere in this area, but we'll see. Okay, so let's get ready. Let me see. GU, GJ. So once these candles close, like, you can just start entering right now because it's already in. So that's one in there. Let me see. I'll find the other one. Oh, there we go. That's 2. And there goes 3. So you'll see what happens with those. Of course, I'm expecting to pull back some there. But I don't know. I'm still monitoring this one from earlier. Like I said, we already hit TP. Let me get rid of some of this because we're not even. I just want to put it on the ones that we are going to be focusing on. We still looking at this one, but we already hit TP. I just wanted to see if this was going to come back down, or is it going to shift? And if it shifts, then it's trade pretty much over. Well, we done anyway, but I want to see what it's going to do. So let's see. I'm looking at these G's, like GU. Look at that. Trying to drop. GJ. Trying to do some. GCAT would be like the last one to do something. It'll freaking go up and come down if that's what it wants to do. So we'll see what this wants to do. So yeah. Let me look on my T4 to see when did this thing get us in here. GCAT 72 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think that's right on the right. Where's what we got in as far as the yeah. So let's see what this thing does. You know, usually I don't trade this late, but I just like what I saw. I saw just like super small lot size. Just like if I was to lose all of these trades, which I wouldn't care because my lot size is so small, like I'm still, I'll still be up for today. I still have my 10%. I mean 5%. What is GJ? Is this GJ? Yeah. GJ was 134.93. Let me see. 134, 193, 134. I can't even see it. Cool. Alrighty. That one, and then we got GU. Which was 12711 166. Entry. Voila. Okay, let's check some out. Full pips. Let me see. Go to GJ. Did you even go up? Oh, just didn't look like it. Let me see some. Sorry, it didn't look like it went up that many pips. But oh, yeah, it did. I'm tripping. Like I would just probably let's see where we would want this to go. Short. Yeah. So we right there. Like we would probably have to come down here. Wanted to come down here to give us like a nice 1 to 2. Even put our stops down. We could put our stop right here. That'd be cool too. So if we want to put our stops right there, that'd be cool. Or if we up, we can go. But we'll see. We could potentially get about, what's that, 58 pips. But if it comes down to here, I'll probably get out a little sooner. We just got to see what it does. Let's just make, say TP can be right around. Well, we can make TP down here. But we also, this is where we want it to go, but we can also watch our exits as well. And remember, this is the shift entry. This is like 8 candles, so like 2 hours to be in profit. So yeah, like 2 hours to be in profit. Or hit your stop loss, whatever, whichever ones. Or hit your TP. Alright, so we will want TP to be down here, but of course, no guarantee that it's going to come down here. Just that if it does, we is good. If not, we'll watch our exits if it starts to move down here. So that's what we'll do. And GU. We have to watch GU. I have to look look at another TP for this one. Maybe right around here. That'd be a nice TP. Let me see just a little bit down. So as if this wants to come down, but we are going to watch it. Remember, we can always come up here and give us a D-low and drop. So we'll be watching all of that. That's the only thing about a shift. That's why we have so many. You got a longer time to be in profit off the shift because it can do so much. It can actually come up, get your D-load, then shoot back down, or it can just continue down, don't give you nothing, just go down, or it can go back up. So that's why you have like eight candles versus the D-load where you got 3 candles. Because this will take a little bit longer. Because actually you want your M/W formation, you want your shift, so you enter your shift, then you actually want to get a D-low, then you enter again, and boom, then it start going to profit. So that's kind of what you want to. I mean, that's like the whole signature setup. If you know what you're doing, like if you get that set up, it's awesome. Okay, so let's again. We put this as our stop loss. Boom. We make this our TP. A lot of times on Fridays I don't go for the whole shabam, wham bam, thank you ma'am, depending on what the market does. But I saw this, and sometimes like I'm like, man, I just gotta take this trade. I have to see what it does, and that's why I took these trades to see what they're going to do. I like the setup. Like I said, the only thing that I think this thing would have just been dropping if it wasn't for this 40, but doesn't mean it can't just break through it. It might give you some pullback, but this is where you can get your pullback, come up here and get your D-low, and then continue down. So we'll see that. We'll see what happens with these trades. It's not like they basically doing the same thing. So hey, if they decide to go down, they do. If they don't, look at this one. This one could be trying to give a D-low off the Parizip, but we'll see. So we got like 8 candles for this. I might just leave this live up, just let it go, because I got stuff to do around the house. So I'm thinking I might just go let that thing do it. Just play some music and trying to see. Okay, make sure. Some music and see what this thing GK. Y'all expect GK to freaking shoot to the moon. So we'll see what happens. And we got like 2 hours. When did this stuff even start? Like 9:30 maybe. So maybe like 10:30 or something like that. Yeah, not 10:30, 11:30 or whatever. So we'll see what it does. We be watching this. Like I said, it's to the 40. We expect the pullback to happen. It can either pull back up here and then start to drop. So, if it pulls back up here, I might re-enter. I just got to see what it does. But I know if we get a LC down here, I'm out. I don't care what it does after that. I'm just going to be out the trade, period. So, we'll see. But I know you got to watch this CAD so damn tricky. Gotta watch it. And the reason I like it is because you got all these EMAs on top, and if this aqua was actually below this below the white, it'd have been even better. But I'm banking that this is gonna pull it down. It's coming up here to hit this, then it's gonna start dropping and pull it down. So I'm hoping that's what it's doing. We just gotta see. Right now, so we'll see. Just gotta see what these babies gonna do. They got them pulling up. If it throws us a D-low, say like in the next 30 minutes, like if this candle closes above the red, the next one closes below the black, tag it again. Same with this. Got like 3 minutes to see what this candle does. I think it. Or it could just reverse. You know, like it could. Hey man, we going up. We don't care what you talking about. So actually, we kind of playing a little counter, I think. But I'm hoping that it's going to pull this aqua over the white. So if that does that, I'll be in the money. It's going to come down. But we just got to see what they want to do. We just don't want this to shift back up on us. And we gone kind of fucked. Come on now, you better not fucking shift back up. I mean, you do what you want to, but it'll suck if you do. Just trying to see what you're gonna do. Alright, what I'm gonna do is, because this will tell me, let me get rid of this indicator. Get rid of this one. I ain't got time to be guessing. Let's see. So we can see what's popping off. I need you to close. You can close above it. Just the next candle come down and drop. GJ might give us that though. But the only thing is, yeah, if it does come back up, I was hoping it don't. I want the market to pull this aqua over the yellow. Over the white. But it could want to come up here though, so. But we just gotta see. We just gotta see what it wanna do. I do like the fact that this is already below, so it could be an indicator that these will eventually do that. Just gotta see. Oh man, why this thing give me this stupid one? I had it freaking saved. Like, sometimes these indicators be playing with me. Because I had it saved just like I like it. Let's get back out and see what it does. Oh my god. I don't know why it be changing back to the factory when I have it saved. So right now, that didn't. Let me see what the GU gave us. It didn't close above it, which I had wanted it to. Hey, if it doesn't, if you just want to drop it, you can do that too. But let me fix this though, man, because they done messed up everything. You know what this thing done did, man? They done messed up. Showing other stuff ain't got no business showing. I don't want to see no any other EMAs. Trying to see, what did I have it as? There we go. High signal color, that black, that black. Say it. Boom. It's just normal. Yeah, we use the normal. There we go. Trying to get this thing back right. Alrighty, so that's that. I wanted the D-Lo though. Wonder if oh, GJ did close above. Okay. Let's see what this does. Now I'm hoping this close below. If this closes below, then we might be in there. So we're gonna have to watch this and see what this candle does. See. Same with GCAT. It's close enough for me. We'll see what pop. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, y'all. Might be hidden, but we got to see what this candle does. So we're just going to sit back, listen to some music, and going to see what these candles does. And I gotta do some doing cleaning up around the house. So we'll see what these candles, what this stuff does.
You know we talk that pip talk. We know we on our pip walk, that pip walk. $1 million brother.
So if we get the D-Lo here, we are going back in. We got 12 minutes. Let me do stuff around the house.
We be talking pip talk, we be copping whips too. We be on that pip walk. She be Trading just gotta be fake. Profits on profits all day. They just try to imitate. There's only one dealer today. A family got food on their plate. Setting the bar that we raised. Setting the bar is our way. Knock out that part of home base. Yo, got another withdrawal cash so green, so these winners wanna feed me. Calling for a step, sitting high, all proud, making blue look easy. Every little thing gonna charge, they pain, scratching and bleeding. Your enemies bleeding. What we playing every dealer we see and
Okay. Who is this? Guest boxer. You really probably won't understand it unless you actually go through the whole course and understand why we are using the indicators that we are using. As far as these, the different color ones, these are EMAs. They are exponential movement averages, and EMAs, these are basically the number of candles, like the average of candles. So say like this Aquas, we call it the 50. That means it's the moving average of the previous 50 candles, so and so forth. So that's what the EMAs, and to understand what they are used for and what they mean, you would actually have to go through the course to understand like why we use them and the significance of them. especially this one, the buy sell stuff. That's just my another indicator that once the yellow crosses over the red, it signals a buy or sell depending on which direction that it's going. But especially, like, you would not understand this unless you go through the courses TDI. Like, this thing is so powerful. So this is lets me know if I'm gonna stay in a trade or get out of a trade, all that good stuff. So you have to go through the course to understand what all this stuff really means. So hope to answer your question. So if you got any more, if that's something you would like to learn more about, of course I can set you up, and because I'm a member of a team and I'm actually with the company, and this is a course designed by one of the educators of that company, and this is how I trade with that method. So that's what I do. So yeah. Let me check something out real quick. GU, GJ, GCAT. GU still staying strong though. Still strong, so we'll see what this does. This is trying to, I don't know, these are playing around. I do like what I'm seeing with GU. GJ is playing. We'll see what this does. You might not close below this, but if if it doesn't shift, I don't want this. I don't want to get an LC. That wouldn't be good. Like, they got about the same strength with the CAD, and the CAD still looks good as well. So we can still stay in that trade. More than likely, we'll see. We'll see what they want to do. This GJ is a little disturbing. A little disturbing. Let's see what it's trying to do. If it's going to push down. I would like for it to push down past this, and whoo! That's be another entry for your butt. But it's playing. Come on, man. Go to GCAD doing the same thing. It's not. Don't want to push past this. I would love to see that. I think GU doing that though. Yeah, GU, but it's not a D-Lo though. But it's still, still okay. Okay, so we are still okay with these trades. We didn't get to. Let me see what it looks like on the 30 though. Oh, it actually gave us a deal on the 30 too. Huh. So yeah, we still might be good. Let me see if the CAD do the same thing. Yeah, that was a 30-minute deal. So we got. Oh yeah, so this thing might. We still looking. We really need this to pull down, because it's still. This is real iffy. But if we starting to get a push down, then I do like the fact that that's so on the 30. That looks good. That could be why it's trying to push. So it does look good on the 30. The GJ is the only one that's kind of iffy. So we are going to go back to the 15, because it looks like we might be in profit on 2 of the trades. So as of right now, we are blue. As of right now. See, if these two was above this, if this red was cutting through both candle bodies, that'd be in D-Lo. But we still good. Remember, we got 8 candles to be in profit. Same with this. We still got 8 candles to be in profit. So there's nothing, bad about this trade either. It might just be a little slower, but we'll see what happens. And GCAT, what is that doing? So in 2 of the trades, we are in Profitico. Let me see. Your chef is, You're not gonna mess with that one. But so far, 2 of the trades are in profit. So far, I can always pull back up and do whatever. So we gonna have to watch that. Let me see. I don't do none of that stuff. I just want to see what it does. So yeah, that's that. We're just gonna watch this some more. Let's watch the GU, see what that does. I gotta do some more stuff around the house, and we'll come back. I'm gonna come back to this and check it later. She got it on, yeah. Okay.
Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hating. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. I seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hating. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. Expensive dinners, I'm tipping no waiters. I'm sipping champagne with no special occasion. I just took a trade from Tyrone and Foster. This team we got made, so now we celebrate. Took a trip to Miami, I'm riding this boat. Up at 4 in the morning, I'm stretching. I'm young. Kitchen pips in the morning, you probably was slow. Every trip with the team, we be lit and we know it. We be lit and we know it. Made a couple million, I'll show it. Motivated and growing. Funding my million account, so it won't blow it. Yeah, all they watch is 2 candles. 100 rocks is 2 handles. Turn it up, the fire, no handles. Blessing my old team's bankroll. I seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hating. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. I seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hating. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. Hey, get into the bag. You know right time. TV, I got racks. Nation on my back. I'm on my grind, getting the profits, all that I see. Yeah, battle the creed. Because I know if I could do for me. When I'm ready, smash a button, get my team paid. Get these pips down, I'm busting to the home plate. Up through the 96, something hella late. Let it breathe, watch the trade start running in. All about the money, my squad on balls. We smash it, they got me, we slam. Like play, get this bear, I win. We play deal all the day. I seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hating. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. I seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hating. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. Made a million, I'm motivated. Yeah, I'm motivated. I made a million, I'm motivated. All of my haters. Stop making these millions. You know what we do. You know it's my crew. I seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a million, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5, now they hating. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. shit the maze. You know we talk that pip talk, that pip talk. We know we on our pip walk, that pip walk. $1 million brother deal nation. Started from the bottom, we ain't played. Gotta keep that heat on that go line. You know he talk that pip talk, that pip talk. I'm out of this cash up on a new pair. I'm out of this cash up on a new pair. You can't understand us, we don't play fair. Rolling up them band bands, tell them all them records on the yacht. We came for all them pimps, you was 30. Drop the top of my whip, I be swirling. I can't believe them brothers hitting early. Marcus make us hit close range. We be talking pip talk, we be copping whips too. We be on that pip walk, GBP and EU. In the Pino Matters, man, we swerve. I'ma put my thumb on the button. Took a shot of trap, man, that shit be crazy, crazy. They said profit's good, man, I say that shit's amazing. You know we talk that pip talk, that pip talk. We know we on our pip walk, that pip walk. I'm out of this cash up on a new pair. I'm out of this cash up on a new pair. You can't understand us, we don't play fair. Rolling up them band bands, tell them all them records on the yacht. Make my mama proud like I told you. See it,
Woo! I just looked. Man. Hey, Just Box, you see that? You see that thing? I know you see it. And you see me set this up. Told you what could happen. That thing pushing. It's pushing. And the other one's got to be pushing too now, Just Box. Let's check him out. What's that? GJ, let's see what that's doing. We barely, we had break even. That's okay. As long as this one's pushing as well. It's pushing too. That thing, let's see where it comes though. Let's see where it goes. I need this thing to drop. DJ might just, I think it's gonna do it too. You see that? DJ gonna play around. These other pairs, I ain't even looking at these other pairs. G-Chef probably pushing down now too. Yeah, I knew you was gonna be pushing down. I just didn't want to mess with this right now. Stop it. Yeah. I'm okay with that though. Woo, but this the one I knew. Yeah, I knew what you was gonna do. Yeah. Blue Party, baby. Where's that Blue Party song at? Right now. Oh, hold on. GJ in profit too. I didn't see. Hold on. It's only a little bit in profit, but it's in profit. Okay, I'm looking at my MT4. I'm seeing money. Okay, we gotta throw the Blue Party, baby. Hold on. Where the Blue Party at? There we go. Y'all see that? Blue Party. Y'all know anything about that MT4? Oh yeah. Woo! That thing going to TP. Honestly, we should get out right here, but we'll watch it. This thing gonna drop, man. Hold on, where's my how come my stuff isn't lit up, man? My TDI ain't lit up like I wanted. I'm about to do this shit over again. I don't know why it be. It's not the colors I had it or nothing. Good lord. Let me see something. Damn, I don't feel like doing this all over again. No, it's not. Can't remember which ones I had. Woo! Honestly, we can get out right now. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call this. Cause we at the 42. We can expect a pullback. What is GJ doing? Oh yeah. What is GCAT doing? Oh yeah, we might stay a little bit, but honestly, we could have. It's Friday. Like I don't really know if the markets. That's one thing about Friday. You kind of want to get your pips and get out because you really don't know what the market's going to give you. You know, I take 15 pips. Of course, you want it to come down here and do all that, but it might not. It can just reverse and go the opposite way. So we are actually a profit on everything. GJ is playing around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just watch GJ. We in profit. Yeah, we in profit. Cause GCAT actually hit right here. So we'll see what it does. It's moving, so. I want to know what those trades was. This trade was that 50 bounce, baby. That's why I got a mark. Oh yeah, he gave us some 50 bounces. We might see what these does. I mean, we haven't even. See, this is the only one I don't. This is annoying, but we'll see what it does. G, you might be pulling back some too. That thing is. See how he came to this green, hit it, and so we'll see what it does. This actually might continue to go down, so we'll see. So we'll hold off. We'll see what they do. We'll see what they do. $50 bounce, baby. 50 bounce.
Let me put you on game real quick. When the red and yellow split, listen, hope you get this. I won't say it again, I won't repeat it. Loss has got you heated. Can't stay empty depleted. M&W off the aqua. Now watch your kiss. Catch a D-Lo. If the shift you straight up miss, ride it all the way to TP or an exit. All in blue squad. D-Lo. Let's get it. We foot to the left, yeah. One time. Pick it up, drop it low, yeah. On the dawn. We gotta bounce. That will blow your mind. Your friend is cute. It's just straight as fun. We foot to the left, yeah. One time. Pick it up, drop it low, yeah. On the dawn. Watch it bounce. Real tight up all that video. Today, the market make it better. Give me mine. Bounce, bounce, red, I got that yellow, got that blue. Got that gray, I got that aqua too. In the face, EMH, yeah, they rule. Off the 50s, how my bank roll.
Off the 50, baby. Haha.
Got that gray, I got that aqua too. In the face, EMH, yeah, they rule. Off the 50s, how my bank roll. You let me see you. Bounce,
Woo! That's what we talking about, baby. Like, I'm really just starting to do my YouTube live trading. I gotta get so much stuff set up to where you can get more info and all this other, all that other good stuff. But y'all can see that this trading is working. Period. GU, what you doing? So we wanna see what this does. We passed the 40, so we passed the checkpoint, so we should be good. We're gonna hold and see what this thing does. I'm just gonna keep watching it. Not tripping on what's that GJ. He's gonna move slower than GU, so remember we got 8 candles. When did we get in at? I don't even remember we got in at. Probably on this candle. So 1, 2, 3. This is only the 4th candle. So that's why I'm not really tripping on none of this stuff. Actually, it'd be pretty cool if we came back up here and closed and dropped back. So we'll see. This ain't even 10 came to the 40 yet. This haven't came to the 40 yet. GU done smacked. So we'll see what it does.
sleeping no more. Hey, we getting the profits. I need everybody to make some noise right now. If you catch it on the blue, that blue action. Blue squad. D-Lo, yeah. Hundred ride drill, got a bad drill. I don't like drill, got a stack drill. Hundred ride drill, got a bad drill. I don't like drill, got a stack drill. Hundred ride drill, got a bad drill. I don't like drill, got a stack drill. Hundred ride drill, hundred ride drill, hundred ride drill. Hundred ride drill, got a bad drill. I don't like drill, got a stack drill. Hundred ride drill, got a bad drill. I don't like drill, got a stack drill. Hundred ride drill, got a bad drill. I don't like drill, got a stack drill. Hundred ride drill, hundred ride drill, hundred ride drill. Yeah. If you're not with you right now, otherwise right down. Pull up on the go live in the kill zone, yeah, my profits, yeah, they stay. If you're not with you right now, hide down, come back. I'm about to get this. I'm about to rip this pair like that. Gotta follow my step. Gotta follow revenge is bad. Pull up with the whole squad. Shooters on deck. Bodies full of rock. Yeah, looting all these markets. Yeah, brokers run a check for what they got. Yeah, now with you right now. Otherwise, right down. Put up on the go live in the kill zone. Yeah, my profits, yeah, they stay.
Alrighty. So what y'all seeing is some pullbacks. See, for me, I'm not worried. I really don't even care if it goes all the way back up because I'm really done trading. Hold on. Because me, come on, man, stop. Because me, I'm really done trading for today. I done already made my money, so that's why I use the smallest lot size I can use for these trades because I just want to see what they do. It's Friday. And the market, you might not get what you want. So honestly, if I was really trading, if this was like my trade, I would have got out right here. This is yesterday's low. Like, it's going to react to that. It reacted to that. It's reacting to that right now. So I would have got out of that trade. I would have been done. I would have got out. So as soon as I would have closed this trade, the other one's out of close as well. So that would have been that. Let's see what they doing. If this pulling up, then these jokers done pull back as well. Like, pull back. See? So we'll see what this does. This next candle could drop. And it could. We'll see. I just want to see what this does. You know cat will pull back to your mama house and leave again. So we'll see what these candles does. We still got 4 more candles really. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we still got 4 more candles to see what it does. I just want to see what they do. But like I said, like you see how I hit the hit here and then went back. That's exactly what I was talking about. I don't know if it's going to make a new low. It actually could start to come back up this way because this aqua is not below this white. So for me, this is mostly for collecting data purposes because I already got my money off of this one today. This actually pulling back, but anyway, we got our TP right here. Our TP was hit earlier. You see, I smacked that thing twice. I could have smacked it through. We got in right here for our trade. Then it came back up and gave us another entry. Then it pulled back. I got in on the pullback. Then it just gave us another one I could have got in. And then it hit my TP. That's what I got out. I wanted to come down here, but I said it's Friday. I don't really know what it's going to do. So I got out. So I got two nice trades. Could have been 3, but didn't want to be greedy. And Boom. So that trade is see TP1 smashed. So these right here are basically, for me, it's training purposes. It's collecting data and seeing if indeed it does want to come back down, or is it just gonna react off of this one and then shoot back up. So we'll see. That's all. Or this could shoot up here and then come back down. So we'll see what GJ is. Came back up here to the aqua, and we will see what it does. The way it's looking like it might be ready to come back, reverse, and go up. That's what it's looking like. It's honestly, to me, that's what it's looking like it's trying to do. Especially looking at this TDI, because it's boom, and it's closing. The RSI is telling me that price is moving up. Let me see what it's looking like on CAD. CAD is actually like it could be moving down. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Like I said, these is all trading purposes. I just want to see what it does. I am in these trades, but with the smallest lot size, so it's like I'm not losing anything. But yeah, like once we got that, I'd have been out right here. No, I'd have had like my real lot size on here. I'd have been out. I'd have just got out. I'm like, yeah, I'm good. Bye bye. Bye bye market. But actually, if I think when I came in, this is where I had my TP at, but it just wasn't that 1-to-2 ratio. I just wanted to see if it came down here. So we'll see though. So I gotta go back to finish doing what I was doing. Let's keep some music back on. Set it, forget it. Okay. Set this right here. Forget about it for a minute. Trying to reverse, baby.
Set it, take profit. Pippin', I'm pippin', no stopping me. Set it, forget it, I gotta green. In my pockets, I'm profiting. This is a better way, gotta be. Riding in foreign, that was me. Louis and Gucci, got what I need. Wrists on froze, TP a breeze. Dealer, I bleed. This when I breathe. Think it's a trade in the AM. When I think hard, I just turn on the screen. If I ain't profit yet, I gotta stop. Said, well, you know what I mean. Every little inch it moves, gotta change the move, so I don't wanna see. Gotta set it and forget it till it hits TV. Set it, forget it, set it, forget it, set it, set it, take profit. Set it, forget it, When I look in your eyes, because of your beautiful eyes, when the sun gets your lips everywhere, in a bed of our every last moment is a gift. In your heart, full of our lives, I lose only you. Love it when you look my way, love it when you look my way, love it when you look my way, love it when you look my Love it when you look my way. Hold on. Hey to wait. Let it rise. Smashing TP. Rise. Shift money. The best. That's when I get deal. All the private problems. Yeah, we paid away. Close to my God. Promise. She be high like a rocket. Cash in the bag now, get in my pocket. Gotta take a breath and now I'm hopping. Setting up a play, now I'm on it. My entry percent, CD low. I got it. You know it's all set up. All I know is time, money I gotta say. Every single last moment that I think about the moment that I went and go astray. Even out about the ground, yeah, I've blown my life, didn't get out of my way. My accident is my patience. We all know that patient pain. Hold on, gonna get paid on it right now. Hate to wait. I just wanna let it ride. Smash it, keep it. Just my pride. GU, interest, shit, money, hell back. That's when I get, patient, we play all the private profits. Yeah, we paid away. Pull up with them pills. Ice on my wrist. Engine, we don't rest. Like that TV like this. I just want a BTS electric. All about the czar, cause it's popping so fast and I'm a killer. Blue sky, yeah, we energy right. Hold on, gonna get paid on it right now. Hate to wait. I just wanna let it ride. Smash it, keep it. That's my pride. GU, interest, shit, money, hell back. That's when I get, patient, we play all the private profits. Yeah, we paid away. Yeah, we paid away. We paid away. Yeah, we paid away. Just my pride, interest, shit, money, hell back. That's when I get, patient, we play all the private profits. Yeah, we paid away. Hold on, gonna get paid on it right now. Hate to wait. I just wanna let it ride. Smashing TP, just my pride. GU, entry, shit, money, hell back. That's when I get patient, we play all the private profits. Yeah, we paid away.
Alright. I got stuff to do. So again, should have got out right there. I'm at break even. Because these are about to reverse. These trades are about to reverse. So if anybody got in this one, I hope you got out down here, because that's where I would have gotten out at. Like I said, not this one, but these trades definitely about to reverse. Yeah, these are about to reverse, most definitely. You did get in profit. Look, Dalek, right here to the green. Get out. Boom. Now it's going the opposite way. So my study concludes. GJ, it's the only one that really didn't do too much. And the only I don't care about this one is it didn't even give us a D-low. I didn't give me a D-low anyway, but these two gave us D-lows and went right to the green. You get out. It's Friday too. Go and get out. We already went down here. It's not going to make a new low. It never broke the Asian session, so okay, your D-low. Boom. Came down here. You get out the trade. Profits. Period. So you got in right here. Got out. Look, let's just say 15 pips. And you good. So the same time I got out of these, so boom, you could have got like, let's say 25 pips. Even with GJ, you got a little profit. So when you got out of those, you exit out of this one too, because you didn't even get a D low. So you exit out of this one as well. So let's say if you got it, come on now, don't do that. All right. So you'd have got, let's say 10 pips. So you'd have been good. But I don't have these trades doing anything. I wanted this to pull down. I might wait and see what it does, but we'll see. But I really don't have these trades doing anything. And honestly, like, we don't trade after 10 anyway, unless we already in the trade. But I just like what I saw, so I wanted to see what it was going to do. So this actually, we got this trade before 10, huh? I didn't think it was before. I thought it was after 10, but that's okay. We might wait and see what it does, but I don't have these trades doing anything but going back, but going up. Especially GJ and GCat. I don't see it doing anything. I just don't see it. It already gave me an LC once it's closed. If it's give us an LC and it closes on the LC, get out this trade. Don't even worry about it. That's what it's doing down on the TDI. Give me that LC, but we'll see what it does, because it could just, but let's see what CAD is doing. Yeah, CAD is, that's one thing about CAD, boy. What did I tell you? CAD will pull back up to your mama house. But yeah, that's what I got out. I'm good. Just want to see what they do now. I think I ended up with about 8% profit today. So everything else is okay. It didn't, boom, it never broke past here. It never broke Asian low, so it'll let you know what's going on. Boom, we came back up here to the low. Get out. Boom, you in profit. Same with this. Look at that. That's doing whatever it's doing. This is about to reverse. This shit is reversing. This is going to take a little longer to reverse, but it's reversing. Simple as that. Oh, let's see if any more. Like, these trades are done. These trades are done. Either you got profit or you didn't. So EG might be going down now. Let me see what this is doing. What G-Chef doing? Yeah, these already boom, boom, hit that. Let's see what it does. Oh, we already got a new candle, didn't we? But this one is, we'll see what GJ is. I don't know what they are trying to do, but we know. Oh, you already shifted. Or did you? Or is this the shift one? No, you shifted, buddy. So they CAD too. Yeah, we know what y'all up to. Ah, yes, if you got the LC. No, that's the candle with my LC, but it shifted already. Let me go and say this, get out of here, go to the so I believe, oh yeah, see that shifted already. It's been one. No way. Yeah, you should have got it right here. Same with this, that shifted. GU hasn't, but it's going to. It's going to. So overall, Profico for the day. I'm okay. Just test purposes, let you know that on Fridays, don't try to get it all. What you do is you get what you can and get out. Like this, boom, you get out. You get out the Trizade. What is this doing? Just like this, you get out of the trade. Because these babies are about to reverse. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. They already shifted and they did it on the TDI. So that's pretty much it for this week, guys. So what we do is on Fridays, we get what the market gives us and we get up out these trades, Joe. So that's all I wanted to really see for that. Because we're looking on a TDI, we got our LC, so that lets us know we got a shift and an LC. Well, I know what you're trying to do. But yeah, you can eventually go back, but yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. You caught between these little wedge, the 50 and the 200. Yeah. Nah, I said the captain. Same with this. This one is all up in the mix. So once you got up out of here, okay, you trade, you in there. Where did that D-Lo go? Like, man, where did that D-Lo? Oh, yeah. Took that baby right down there. Oh, I gave us our shift. Then you take it. Boom. Take it right there. You good. All of these gave us that 50-50. You get in and get out. I was like, hold on, give it a D-Lo. But it gave us the 50-50. I mean, Friday, get out. What did it do? Went to yesterday's low. Came all the way down to yesterday's low. Hit it. Now it's about to reverse. And it's Friday. So that's what you do. You get your pips. If you might not get you might not get all your pips on a Friday. Sometimes you'll get a whole lot more. So yeah, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this trading session. I am about to get up off of here, and you guys have a blessed one.